I was tired all the time, and you wake up tired, you want to take a nap all the time, and you don't know what's going on. You don't know that you're sick until you get treated for it, and then it's like, oh, good grief. I mean, this is way better. The dark bags go out from under your eyes. You have more energy. You feel a lot better. The oral appliance for the sleep apnea is called a Moses, and I've had it for probably 6-7 years. It's very beneficial to people that can't stand a CPAP machine because the masks sometimes feels confining, and then I travel a whole lot. Sometimes I don't take my CPAP with me. I just take the Moses, and it works. So it's a whole lot easier than the CPAP. You don't have hoses and electrical cords and all that. You just pop it in your mouth and wake up and take it out. So when Dr. Crane got the night guard for me, it's formed to my mouth, so there was no break-in period, nothing to get used to. It's just, it goes right in your mouth. It feels comfortable. So even though it is invasive, it doesn't feel invasive. It's very comfortable. In addition to the CPAP, which I don't have to have with the Moses, it also stops me from grinding my teeth at night, and helps me realign the jaw. So it's beneficial in both ways. Do I feel like the night guard has improved my quality of life? Yes. And the reason is because my jaw's no longer sore. I'm not gritting my teeth at night. If I am, they're not making contact. It's kind of a pliable type situation. So wake up, not hurting. If you want to go to a good dentist, go see Dr. Crane. Go to Texas Grins. I mean, the people are friendly. Dr. Crane's great. Finding a good dentist is hard. I mean, one that you feel comfortable with. And I feel comfortable here.